Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather forecast. Let us see what has been the weather observed during past 24 hours and what the weather is going to be during next 24 hours. So as we can see that in this left hand side India map, uh, widespread rainfall over Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, Saurashtra, and western Himalayan region, including Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, was observed. Along with that, fairly widespread rainfall was observed over Gujarat region, East Rajasthan, West MP, North Interior Karnataka, Odisha, and Gangetic West Bengal. So, accordingly, the monsoon remain active to vigorous over uh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Western Himalayan region. Uh, Cloudburst type situation was observed in Kangra. Uh, Heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over there, and as we can see, the monsoon remain deficient over East Uttar Pradesh, East MP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and parts of Northeast India. So as we all know that today the monsoon has been advanced into some more parts of Rajasthan, West UP, and Haryana, and most parts of Punjab. And this advancement of monsoon took place under the influence of prevailing easterly winds since last 3 4 days and enhancement of cloud cover and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over the region. And now the northern limit of monsoon passes through Jaisalmer, Nagaur, Bharatpur, Aligarh, Karnal, and Ganganagar. Now, regarding rest parts of the country, the monsoon over remaining parts of the country, like remaining parts of Haryana, Rajasthan, some part of West UP, and a very little part of Punjab, IMD is continuously monitoring the weather features, the atmospheric conditions, and as soon as the monsoon progresses, we will update. Now we can see that if we discuss about during next 24-hour warning, so uh, if we come to the weather systems, then there is a low pressure area over west central bay of North Andhra Pradesh coast, and there is another low pressure area over Gujarat region and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea, and there is a trough extending between these two systems. And due to this kind of situation, synoptic situation, we can see that extremely heavy rainfall is very likely over Konkan and Goa, Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, and Telangana. Also, heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is between 11 to 20 centimeter rainfall, is likely over Andhra Pradesh, uh, Marathwada, Karnataka, coastal and Karnataka, which includes North Interior Karnataka, South Interior Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, and Kerala. And under the influence of low pressure area over this Gujarat region and adjoining Northeast Arabian Sea, very heavy rainfall is also likely over Gujarat and adjoining parts of Rajasthan, especially Southeast Rajasthan. So whenever this low pressure area forms over West Central Bay and adjoining North Andhra Pradesh coast, or anywhere over the Bay of Bengal, then what happens is that the westerly winds along the west coast, which are hitting the west coast, gets strengthened, and due to that, uh, usually heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall is observed over the region. And whenever the low pressure area forms below the North Bay of Bengal, it forms in Central Bay of Bengal. Generally, it happens that there is kind of break monsoon situation over East India, that is Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, and even Northeast India also. So the same situation is happening, as we can see in the warning. These uh, it is happening that. Uh, So Northeast India and East India are undergoing kind of break monsoon situation, and due to prevalent easterly winds condition, as we have just discussed, due to which monsoon advancement has taken place over some more parts of Rajasthan, West UP, Haryana, and most parts of Punjab. Western Himalayan region is experiencing quite severe weather activity. This station, Dharamsala station of Himachal Pradesh, has reported 21 centimeter rainfall till 15 UTC of today. And this even Uttarakhand is also experiencing heavy to very heavy rainfall. So for these two regions, we have even issued impact-based warnings, and we have requested the public to remain indoors and remain safe and avoid traveling in the hilly areas. And as far as this break monsoon region is concerned of North India and East India, there is a severe lightning possibility is there over East UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal. So these areas, and including of course MP also. So over these areas, severe lightning, cloud to ground lightning may occur. So we have to remain careful about these areas also. And so that's all about today's weather update, which included weather during past 24 hours and forecast for next 24 hours. Tomorrow we will again come to you with the weather forecast for next 24 hours.